and welcome to your to your channel. Oh, get yourself together. Hey lovelies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and in today's video you're gonna see a random collective haul. Like, I've been shopping piece by piece, so I'm gonna show you what I've collected thus far. Some interesting things. The first thing that I got was this organizer, and it has a lid. Let's see if I can open it up. I got it from the Dollar Tree. And I'm such a nice big sister that I got one for my little sister too. That's what it looks like. I figured it would be good to put my glitters in it because I've been going glitter crazy, okay? And I have nowhere to put them. So I figured this would be a good place to put my glitter. Again, from the Dollar Tree, I wanted a new mirror for when I do my tutorials. So I thought this was really cute and princess-like, you know, because before I was using this thing, like, look how busted it is. Rhinestones are all falling off. So this is a lot better. The next two items that I picked up were from eBay, and they were only a couple dollars. There's sequins. Let me just turn my light down so you can see. I'm not gonna open it up because it'll friggin' like make a mess, so I'm not gonna open it up. But this is what I used to create this eye look. I just thought that was really cool. And this is another pack that I got. Really pretty. And I hopped over to Sephora specifically to get this product because my little sister was lucky enough to have one sent to her because she's freaking amazing. I had to buy it. But that's all right, it's worth it. It is the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Oh my god, guys, if you don't have it, you need it. It's $32, so it's a little pricey, but that's all right. I got it in color number 5. I'll just take it out. Packaging is the cutest. I'll just give her a swatch for you. That's what it looks like. And I did use that brow pencil to do my brows today. Look at that. It really is freaking precise. If you'd like a tutorial on how I use this brow pencil, comment down below and I'll definitely do that for you guys. The next item that I got is from the P. Louise Makeup Academy. It is their eyeshadow base, and I got it in Rumor 05. And I thought it was really cute that they sent out a card as well. It says, "Hey doll, thank you for your purchase. Be prepared to stunt on the world." And that's exactly what I did today. I used this eyeshadow base to create this look. I'll just give it a quick swatch. And it will be a really small swatch because this is expensive, okay? It was 10 pounds. And then I think like another 10 pounds to ship it. So in Canadian dollars, it cost me over $30. Yeah, I must be crazy. But, so, I'm using the tiniest bit. That's what it looks like. Just put it in. And honestly, this is pricey, but it really does make your eyeshadows pop. If you are a lovely on a budget, you can check out this alternative. It's by LA Girl Pro Conceal. It's a lot cheaper, and this is in the shade Porcelain. This will also make your eyeshadows pop too. And while I was in Philadelphia, I got a couple pair of lashes from a beauty supply store. I can't remember what it was called. Was it Hair City or something like that? I don't remember, but it was huge. It was like a grocery store. So I got 2 pairs of lashes for $1.99. So they're the same. 2 pairs of wispies. And the last things that I have to show you, I was in Toronto with my family, and on the way home we saw like like a tent event or whatever. It had cosmetics, so I picked this up for like, it was a couple dollars. It's the Evian facial spray, and this, it feels amazing when you spray it on your face. It's just like refreshing. If you can get your hands on this, definitely do, because it feels great on the skin. And I got some lashes, and can you believe these lashes cost $2 each? I could not believe it. I honestly could have picked up like 10. They're by Ardell, and they're the double ups. These are the double wispies. So I got 2 packs of those, and then I got 2 packs of these. They're the double up demi wispies. The last thing I have to show, I almost forgot about this actually. This is from Walmart. And for those of you that have been following me for the longest time on my old channel, you'll know that this liquid liner by NYC is my favorite. I think it's only like $4 and change. It's not very expensive at all. I'll swatch it for you. There it is. It is so dark and it lasts a long time. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. Definitely get yourself one of these. That's everything to my haul. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll definitely answer them for you. Thanks for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you soon. Bye!